school is very important to us because we get to have fun and do art and music.
We get to go on excursions and camps.
We get to play all kinds of games and sports, but most of all,
we get to have fun with our friends and other students.
And we get to learn lots of new stuff every day.
I hope they appreciate it as much as we do.
I'd just like to say thank you so much for letting me speak here today. It is such an honour to speak in front of the whole student body on this special day for our school. Thank you so much. I'd just also like to say that the homework we get given, personally, I don't think we get enough. Is so wonderful.
Blah, 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 blah. Blah, 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 blah. In finishing, I would like to thank you all for coming to celebrate the planting of our school's time capsule. It's been an amazing experience for all of us. I am sure we all hope whoever discovers this, a gift from the past to the future, will enjoy it as much as we did making it. Thank you.
A 1,000 years later.
Huh? Okay. Sure. Why not?
Not quite 1,000 years later, but almost.
Oh, what's this?
Archaeology is about going back and finding evidence of what previous cultures that were here. The time capsule sort of is a representation of that.
When the school St Pius X first started, they started in a hut, an army hut. That was the classroom. And around here, there was no houses or anything, just paddocks.
This was good farming land back in the 1940s and 50s.
There was a farm on the same property here, over where our cars are parked. That was a farm and had horses and cows, and the horses used to wander over and get our apples and we'd feed them.
For that, if you go back 100 years, who do you think might have been living here? Dinosaurs.
No, the Aboriginal.
Yeah, the Aboriginal community, Indigenous people used to certainly live here 100 years ago.
And then slowly the houses popped up like mushrooms all over the area. And that's when the schools got built.
This is a playground for the grade up to probably 3 and 6s. Only us can be here. There's a slide, a sliding down, obviously a ladder, or slippery. If you just heard, Sky just slid down, just slipped, and got her knees wet.
Well, I'm Aboriginal, 11 years old. I go to Hague Street Primary School. I like to play with my friends. I love sport and video games.
I've got 2 favourite games. One of them is Down Ball and the other is Tiggy, because they're fun and they make some people happy.
I like playing at school with my friends, Down Ball, wrestling, football and soccer. And Tiggy and 44 home base.
Leaf tag, like, as in we say, desmare. It's like gang up Tiggy, but only you have to throw leaves at people.
It's really old. In my tribe, I know that I come from Wurundjeri tribe. My dad said that his nana, my nana, I just call her nana, she was full Aboriginal, and she said that she played it when she was a teeny papa.
Lots of parents have come to this school, like parents that pick kids up from here have come to this school, and there's been different principals.
We have a multicultural collective of kids here, probably total about 27 different cultures.
I think Harmony Day is a good day to celebrate and party. I think we need to celebrate Harmony Day because no matter what we look like or where we come from, we can get along.
Belfield has some long-running traditions like Belfield Cup, Belfield Concert, and Australia Colours Day, Easter Hat Parade, and School of Rock.
You got the music room in there. The next room is deaf facility, which is where all the deaf kids go. And then G12 is the dining room where they have meetings, healthy breakfast on a Wednesday at 8 o'clock. We have the cottage, which is where they play games. And then you got the tennis court in front of it, which is good for when you want to play tennis. And then we have the library right in front of us.
Last season, every time I came outside for yard duty, we have a lot of plovers that every year lay their eggs on the oval. They get very protective, as you can imagine. So every time we came out on yard duty, we'd have to run and hide from the birds because they kept swooping us.
Well, some people think that there's photos and like stuff from way back, like combs and pictures of famous people back then.
We planted it 15 years ago, and one of my friends, he put a picture of him and his brother in it.
No, time capsule is about that big. That's about that big. It's not big. It looks like I've seen
like a donut, a big jam donut.
No, it looks like I've seen this in a movie.
Well, something that I like about the school is when we go to excursions and like how we have some disco nights, and you get to dance and the music's really nice and loud.
I get up to have a dance too, and I love dancing with the kids, and they have some pretty good moves, a lot better than I have, I tell you. Go around, remember? Yeah, and we all dance, all the teachers that are on duty, they have a bit of dance with the children and have a bit of fun. We go home and the next day we can't move because we've danced too much.
Christmas time, we used to have Father Christmas arrive in a helicopter. And Father Christmas used to come up here, and then we had the big fete, and it was a very big day. Father Christmas used to talk to everyone in the yard, you know.
There you go, the end. Let's party on!
Wow, awesome.
Get star.